Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you about a primer that I recently started using. I always try, sometimes I forget or I get lazy or I'm rushing, but I try to always put on primer before I do my makeup in the morning. It just helps it last longer during the day and stay on better, basically. I feel like if I put primer on, my foundation adheres a lot better to my skin. So a little bit about this product. This is a blur. It's to blur, smooth, and diffuse. Create a smooth canvas for a seamless foundation application. And you could wear it alone for a soft focus airbrushed effect. So if you're looking for that airbrush type makeup effect, which I'm always looking for because I actually got airbrush makeup done for my wedding and it was like the best thing ever. It stayed on all day. So I'm definitely looking for something to replicate that, and this definitely helped. So this is the Cover FX blurring primer. The normal size is larger than this. It is 30 milliliters or, oh no, I'm sorry. This is the full size. I just don't have the box anymore that it came in. Like it came in like a big kind of box, and I just got rid of it somewhere down the road, but this is the full size. So on the back here, let's see what this says. A blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrushed look. So this helps a lot around, like, I'm just trying to think common areas. For me, I don't know if this is common or not, but I have like the lines that are kind of like the lip lines around the lips. And like, I don't know, I'm 29, so I don't feel like I'm ready to start getting fillers and stuff like that. So this definitely helps with smoothing those fine lines. And then especially if you're like me, I just always have like bags under my eyes lately due to lack of sleep and whatever. And just having this also, like putting this on your eyes, like really helps to kind of decrease some of those bags and to have your eyes looking smoother and everything. So directions are really easy. Apply on every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation application. I also try to like mix in my foundation really well. So I do apply a little bit of this like on my neck area too. Just because like when I blend my foundation in, a little bit goes on my neck. So I just want to have the primer and the foundation on evenly. So this is distributed by Cover FX Skincare Incorporated in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, made in Italy, and their website is www.coverfx.com. Obelicis CSA 1030 Brussels, and it is recyclable as well. So if you guys have never used a primer before, it's like almost the same as putting on a moisturizer, like not like effect wise, but like that's how easy it is. Like you just rub it in your skin. Takes like literally 2 seconds and it's super easy. And what I like about this, it really blurs lines and uneven skin, and it doesn't dry your skin out. But you can, if you want, use moisturizer like underneath. For me, I get like an oily T-zone, so I don't really put, I'll put moisturizer on like my cheeks and not really on my T-zone, like my forehead, nose, and chin area, because I don't want those spots to get any oilier than they already are, if that makes sense. And it's definitely for all skin types, and it does not contain any parabens, sulfates, phthalates, fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, or talc. And it is fragrance free also. So I'm going to squeeze some out so I could show you guys. What I like about this is it's so light. It's so lightweight feeling. It feels like mousse, like a hair mousse almost. And it's soft and really nice. And it is like, it's tinted, but it blends right into your skin. And I think it's good for any kind of skin tone, because this is like a little bit lighter than my skin tone naturally is. And once it blends in, you can't see it. Plus you're putting foundation on top of it, so you really can't see it. And I think it's really nice that it has like, you know, no parabens and no sulfates, and you don't have to worry about any of that like kind of junk going into your skin. And it's thin, moisturizing, and just helps keep your skin like soft and just looking really nice throughout the day. And you don't even have to reapply it. Just once in the morning when you do, or whatever time you do your makeup, and then you're good to go for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoy this lightweight oil-free primer that mortifies the skin, clears and prevents blemishes, minimizes the appearance of pores, and ensures an even application of foundation, extended wear, and leaves your skin texture looking flawless, perfect for photos. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video for Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I thank you guys for watching. See you later.